I have a package of noodles. The udon noodles are slightly thicker, and you can use that or regular noodles. I have about 3 stamps of green onion, some shrimp, bell pepper, green bell pepper, and zucchini, which is also cubed, and cremini mushrooms, which are cubed, edamame, and about a teaspoon of each of grated ginger and chopped garlic. I have some peanut sauce. This is for the broth, along with the soy and coconut milk with a little bit of sesame oil, crushed red peppers. This is how it goes. And with a little bit of oil, I'm going to be adding the thinly sliced green onions, both the green and the white, the garlic, the ginger, and saute it a bit just to spread out the onion. A little bit of crushed red pepper. I can add the red and the green bell peppers now, along with the zucchini and all the other vegetables. With just a quick saute. A little bit of salt, not too much. This should take about less than 5 minutes to saute up really quick. And once it's sauteed, you set it aside, and I'll show you how to make the broth. The vegetables have been sauteed. You can see it's just a quick saute with the garlic, ginger, and the vegetables. And this is when I add the shrimp. If you're vegetarian, you can totally avoid this, of course. Gonna add a little bit of soy sauce, just a drizzle, and a little bit of the sesame oil. The sesame oil is quite strong, so you want to be careful using it. Just about 1/8 of a spoon is good for a serving of 4. The shrimp is almost done. It cooks really quick. I've also divided a handful of noodles into 4 soup bowls. Mix it all up. Now is a good time to taste it. And what I'm going gonna do next is actually divide this into the soup bowls. Gonna top the noodles. No need to clean or anything. You can use either water, chicken stock, or vegetable stock. I've got about 3 cups of it. And then half a cup of the coconut milk. I'm sorry, half a can of coconut milk, a little bit of soy sauce, and about 2 tablespoons of the peanut sauce. If you don't have peanut sauce, you can use peanut butter or curry paste if you have, like the peanut butter. That'll work. This peanut sauce is really good. It's got lemongrass in it, as well as soy and ginger and everything. And you bring it to a boil. And I finish it up with about 1 lime, the juice of 1 lime, and a small handful of chopped cilantro. And this broth is what a hot broth is poured over the bowls of noodle, vegetable, and shrimp, and you're done. I usually use chopped up peanuts on top as a garnish. And if you have any wonton strips which are fried or air fried or baked, you can use that for added crunch. Coconut milk along with the curry, the peanut sauce, as well as the vegetable stock has come to a boil. If you feel your coconut milk was a little too thin, you can actually add a little bit of cornstarch with water and add it to the broth itself. It gives you a nice consistency. And now that it's come to a boil, I'm just adding the juice of 1 lime. And you taste it. It should be more on the sweeter side because you've got the vegetables that has been seasoned really well. So it's just basically peanut sauce. So you don't have to worry if your noodles are cold. The broth is going to actually warm up the vegetables and the noodles. You get about a little more than half a cup of broth in each bowl. And then the next thing I do is I garnish it with some freshly chopped cilantro. And some crushed peanuts. This makes a perfect 1 bowl meal.